All right, guys, welcome back to another episode of DeFonzi's Garage. We are here with Debo D.
Yo.
And what do we have in store for you guys? We have a 1987 Chevy Monte Carlo SS, supercharged flavor. And it's been quite some time since this car has actually moved on its own. Appreciate Debo D coming down here. We got this up on the Wildfire lift right now. Definitely think there's an issue with timing on this car. You guys, we're gonna go ahead, we will fire it up here in a little bit. Make sure you guys comment, let us know what you think it is. We decided to turn this 383 stroker into something a little bit more powerful, throwing this Y-end supercharger on it, but she does not want to stay running. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of tear into this and see what's going on, button some things up. But I can tell you one thing about Chevy motors: this car has not been started in almost, I would say, 7-8 years, and she fired right off, fellers. I'm gonna tell you right now that when you're a kid, you're stupid. The fuel pump definitely does not belong up here. We definitely want to go ahead and make sure that we move that towards the rear of the car. But again, 10, 15 years ago when we started building on this car, your kids, you really don't know a whole lot about anything. So we're gonna go ahead and get that buttoned up as well. Again, Debo D, thank you very much. Appreciate you. Yeah, more to come.
We made it work. I mean, just because we were young and dumb, if it works, is it really a bad idea?
I guess not. And for the time being, it did work. But stay tuned, guys.
There you go. You're a good boy. Okay.
spoiler running. I wonder how far we're gonna make it.
I don't know, I'm a little nervous. Are you nervous?
Well, we built it, so we should be able to at least make it, I don't know, 500 feet?
Got turn signals.
No, we don't. It's not supposed to work like that.
Seems to be shifting into gear.
Oil pressure says we're
Right. 35 miles an hour. You know what I didn't do? I didn't check the air in the front tires, did you?
We'll just ignore that.
Details. We'll pretend.
Yeah, we got 50 psi, so that's good. Voltage is good. Temp's 190.
And it's staying at 190.
That's good.
Got brakes.
We got brakes. Boy, we're winning today.
What is going on? This is definitely not our car.
Stoked?
A little bit, man.
Yeah.
I really want to jump on it, but I'm not gonna.
I understand.
Because it's been hibernating. Got it all cleaned up. Again, guys, big shout out to Devo D coming down and helping out. And I can honestly say there's nothing better than working on cars, man. Working on cars with your family, and make sure you check out his channel. He's got some really cool content, not just including cars. You guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me which ride you guys like the best. Is it the Monte? Is it the Duster? Could it be the Nova?
Well, it handled a little boost.
I didn't mean to do that.
Yes, you did. You just want to draw all the attention.
All the attention, right.
Yes.
Nothing screams, hey, you guys, like what we're doing.
Right.
I don't think this gauge is reading.
There's nothing sketchy about it. Nah, you're in vacuum, you're not under boost.
Yeah, but it's not even moving. Should it be? Oh, there it
Yeah,
goes.
it is.
Yeah, you're right.
God. Can you imagine what this thing could do? Like, seriously.
We have a rear for it too.
I know. Give it a look.
I lost the back end, dude. I lost the back end.
That is fantastic.
Did you like that?
Was that
Is that
fun?
cool?
That is funny. Oh, that's so great.
You know that was only half throttle, right?
Yeah.
Still sitting at 190. I'm afraid to turn it off to get gas. So when we go get gas, I think I'll leave it running.
This thing is a tire roaster.
It really is. And it feels so good to have these back up and running on the road.
That's only 7 years.
Yeah. You have kids, man. Oh,
Rubby.
rubby.
Should be racing for pinks. Is this fun?
Try to get gas right here. Maybe.
go ahead. We're not drawing attention to anybody. Nope. Not at all. Oh, it feels so good to have this thing on.
Is that cool? Yeah. What smoke? I don't remember having a posse.